Guys, PokeTV, and today we're back with our video. Today, I'm back with another Pokemon opening. That's who it's from, by the way. I'm not sure who this is from. I'm going to talk to the right, I think. I'm not sure, but at the moment, let's open the Pokemon card. Okay, guys, I just realized these aren't regular Pokemon cards. These are Pokemon cards that people have drawn on, like Flareon with Swag, Karkner, I don't know how to pronounce it, with I'm the King, a Hoothoot with Best Pick, a Krogunk with a mustache with Sad Face, a Voltorb with Cry that does 70,000 damage. Nidorino with Horn Your Mum. Okay, yeah, that don't have to worry about that. A Gofaria with Big Eyes. Another Hoothoot with Bob that does 9,000 damage. A Sweedle with Swag that does 200 damage, and a Dratini that got all scribbled on with, I'm not sure if you can see that, it says stop please. Oh no, I can't see it. But anyway guys, that is Pokemon cards. I'm gonna see who I got this from, and I'll make a video for it, but alright, back to you.